Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review in an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Gloiber.com. So Gloiber is basically an online shopping platform that provides you with a wide variety of items. As you can see, the pictures being uploaded here are really of high quality, and they claim to share a really high quality products in very less money if you compare with the real brands. So now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind those fancy promises. As you can see, the first red flag is that on the about us page there isn't any official information about the company. So the real brands actually share a lot of details in their about us page, like where do they physically exist and all that. So another red flag about this platform is once I tried searching for the reviews of this platform on Trustpilot website, I get to know the website has a worst possible rating of 1.9 out of 5 stars, which is really poor, and it is based on 13 reviews. So this is also a very much concerning thing, and people are saying they sell fake products, there isn't original, they sell fake shoes. So this is also a very much concerning thing about the credibility of this platform. Another thing that decreases the trustworthy of this platform is that it was registered very recently according to the whois.com. So being there in the market for just few months also a concerning thing. So in conclusion, I would say, like, based on these reviews and different other information, this product is and this platform is pretty much a scam, and you should avoid buying and purchasing item from this website. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.